Today, mining enterprise data from disparate sources is critical for successful digital transformation initiatives. It is possible that you are struggling to derive value from organizational data. Are you also stuck with manual data ingestion, reports, and insight generation? Is your team overwhelmed by the growing size of data? DataOps can help. By improving efficiency in data analytics, DataOps provides the tools, processes, and organizational structures to effectively harness significant increases in data. Let's now dive into a quick overview of how to implement DataOps within the AWS and Azure ecosystem. Before you begin with a DataOps implementation, it is important to conduct research to fully understand your business processes, identify KPIs, and what insights are required. The first step of a DataOps implementation is to ingest data from your multiple source systems into a single data store and then standardize the data format. In step 2, you create scripts that transform the ingested data into usable insights against KPIs and then generate reports to better visualize these insights. The next step is to automate the insight generation process and create data pipelines. These data pipelines can then be scheduled to run automatically or can be configured to execute when specific triggers are met. In the last step, you automate other manual tasks, including maintenance, to deploy new versions of the application and pipelines as needed. A successful DataOps initiative can provide numerous benefits for your organization. Our data experts can help with your DataOps initiative and enhance your analytics efficiency. Contact our data experts today.